Alright guys, so that was the quick video for my dad's room, my dad's music room. The the Litex Brilliant. Now this is gonna be the video of the Remake 2022 of this unknown hugger ceiling fan that's in this. I'll just say it's a guest room or something like that, but yeah. So I just need more fans, and that's it. But I don't know if I got time to do the whole fans because we had to take the dog walk. I mean, we got a new dog. Like that was like 3 months ago we had that. So yep, and her name is Zora. So, anyways, I mean, I think this one's the fan. So we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate the light. Someone's got like a little thing. It's like a wooden thing. So, anyway, so here's the light. And here goes low. Oh, I gotta go soon. I gotta make this video okay because we gotta go. So I gotta set this to medium. Well, let's say like it's a little bit wobbly too, because I can hear the motors making some little bit clicking noise. So, anyways, setting to high. All right, now I'm gonna do the light. Okay. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more, and happy holidays and a happy new year. So yeah. I mean, good thing this fan stops quickly. I mean, I like that. I mean, never seen, I mean, I think I've seen that before. Like that was like back in 2021 when I started filming at my dad's house here. So anyway, yep. Alright, that's it for this video, and yep, and bye for now. And that's it.